So my laboratory really looks at how pathogens, bacterial and viruses, evolve during the process of infection, and how we can use that genome sequence information to track how the virus is evolving, what that means in terms of how it causes diseases, but also how we can use that information to do epidemiology, that is, linking different cases between people. So actually in my pocket I have one of the world's first USB genome sequencing devices. This is called the Oxford Nanopore MinION. And what's notable here is that previously genome sequencers would take up a very large amount of bench space and cost up to $1 million. This is the first genome sequencer where we can actually do portable genome sequencing in real time. And so the opportunity here is that we can take it to West Africa and do genome sequencing in a situation where we have limited lab equipment. I think you can't really fail to be touched by the news images coming from Ebola and affected by the sheer sort of devastation and personal loss that's occurring. And really for us, working in biomedical research and working in genome sequencing, we have an opportunity to contribute to the global effort to try and make sure this outbreak is brought to a swift conclusion. I think people should support this research because we really have the opportunity to help develop a novel tool and a novel technology that will help both with this outbreak and with future outbreaks of Ebola and other infections. And we do realise now that the world is a massively interconnected place, and there's no such thing as a remote outbreak. These cases have a significant effect on a local population, but they also have an effect on the international population. We really need to stop Ebola becoming an endemic disease, and we really do need to have faster reactions and better technologies. Please give £50 to allow us to deploy new technologies into laboratories in West Africa to help us understand the Ebola outbreak better.